Hey guys, something I love is a great casserole. You can come home, slip it in the oven, good midweek meal. Had trouble getting that one out. So I decided to put together this baked chicken and zucchini casserole. It came out just incredible. You gotta try this, so let me show you how to do it. Okay guys, I'm going to start by adding my sliced onions to the bottom of my casserole dish. And you can just about put these anywhere. I'm going to do my imitation here, see if you can guess who this is. Drop a comment in the description section. You can put them there, or there, or there, or even there. Let me know if you know who that is. Probably a bad imitation. Okay, now on top of the onions, I'm going to add in 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. And these are a fair size. You can use any cut of chicken. I just like the boneless, skinless. You know, they're healthy and they're easy to work with. Something like that. Now I'm going to season them up with some salt. A bit of pepper. Well, actually, quite a bit of pepper. Some zucchini over the top. I just love zucchini. You know, you can use a different veggie, but I like my zucchini. And some sliced mushrooms over the zucchini. Now for our yummy sauce, I've got about 400 grams of diced tomatoes here, and they're the canned ones. I haven't drained them. To that, I'm going to add a good heaping tablespoon, or teaspoon I should say, of crushed garlic. About half a teaspoon of oregano. And this is the dried stuff, and I'm just going to kind of eyeball this. Another half teaspoon of dried basil. And hardly wait to get the garden going, then I can use fresh basil. Now for the surprise I was talking about, guys. This is a spice I picked up. It's called Flavor Explosion. And it is so good. I'll put a link below where you can get it. I'll try and find it. But it's got a combination of everything in it. Like it's got, you know, paprika, it's got onion powder, it's got coriander, it's even got some nutmeg in it. It is a flavor explosion. I just about use it on everything now. So I'm going to add another half teaspoon of that. And this is totally optional. I mean, if you can find it or you want to get it from Amazon, that's great. Or you can leave it out. Take my spoon and we're going to mix this up. Wish we had the old smell-o-vision. It smells so good. Now I'm going to pour our ridiculously delicious sauce over top of that chicken mixture. And it's amazing how fast this dish goes together. The longest time is waiting for it to bake. Next up, cover this up and seal it with some aluminum foil. Now we're going to slip this into a 400 degree Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius preheated oven for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, it smells so good, I pulled it out of the oven. So what I'm going to do is put a good application of that good old parmesan on here. I just love the smell of parmesan. Now we're going to slip this back into the oven uncovered for another 15 minutes. After another 15 minutes with the parmesan over the top, guys, we are done, and this smells so incredible. Look at that steam come over the top. Come to daddy. This is going to be so good. I want to mention too, guys, this is not one of our 30-minute recipes. It's a little bit longer, but what I usually do is make it up the night before, cover it, put it in the fridge, and the next day before dinner time, take it out, put it in the oven, and you're good to go. And there you have it, guys, our baked chicken and zucchini casserole, just incredible. Alrighty then, the part that I like the most, let's cut into this and see what we have. Oh, that chicken is done, guys. Get some zucchini on top of there. Just look at this. Guys, this is good. The chicken is tender. Those spices just come through. That flavor explosion I showed you, I can really taste that. The zucchini, the mushrooms, just wonderful. You gotta make this. So for the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. And if you like what you saw, hit that sub button and that like button. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe and see you next time.